In a sea full of candidates, how can you be sure you're hiring the right people? How can you be sure they don't just meet the qualifications, but have the traits that will make them shine in a particular role? We all know there's more to a person than what appears on a resume. And when interests, thinking style, and behaviors align with a role, people are empowered to succeed. With PXT Select, you can see beyond a resume and use data to build upon your first impression, helping you match the right people to the right roles based on the traits that predict success. Because when the right people are in the right jobs, our teams work better together and our organizations thrive. Hire confidently with PXT Select.